Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video I'm going to take you through Euro US dollar as the bearish sentiment remains, or the bearish bias remains in the market. Now I'm on a monthly time frame and we can see here that last month's close finished as a really strong bearish close. We did get a nice tail to the downside here, which showed us that buyers were stepping back into the market. But it's been interesting this week because price has come up into a previous high and we're starting to see a significant rejection there. Now, unlike other major currency pairs at the moment, what we've seen out of others is that we had closes back above previous highs or previous lows. We haven't had that with euro. Also, strength meter showing us that the euro is the weakest currency at the moment, so expecting euro shorts to remain in the market. If we look at it from a fundamental point of view, ECB not as aggressive as other central banks, so again that's going against the euro, so we could still see further downside, maybe even a retest of parity. Now I'm going to go down to the daily time frame, and you can see here that we talked about this in a previous video. We talked about price failing at the 1.0280, and if price didn't break above 10280, then the likelihood is that we were going to continue to see price push to the downside. 10280 was these swing highs in here. If we had a close above that level, we could have seen price head back up towards these swing lows in here. However, it looks like we're getting a slight double top pattern with an opportunity to push back down towards some key areas. You have these swing lows down in here, initially around about the 101.12 number, or 101.12, and then we have these lows down through here at that parity point. Strong bearish engulfing candle can often see price continue to the downside. If we go to that 4-hour time frame, what I'll be looking for here in particular is price to form a lower high, because what we would typically see if the market was going to push towards these lows, or even these lows down here, is that lower high to come into play. So we need to see that happen. That could come up all the way back up into this structure high up in here where that selling began in the market. It could come in a little bit sooner than that. Maybe it comes back up to this sort of structure level in here where you can see that price has found some resistance just through there and a little bit of support. So depending on how price reacts as well, I would like to see a very shallow pullback here. Very low ranging candlesticks, very small candlesticks. Something like this when we had that extension move up. Very low ranging candlesticks, pretty much stayed within that candle range. That would be ideal in order to look for extensions to the downside here. So Euro US dollar, the bearish bias remains at the moment. I'm expecting a little bit of a pullback to happen next, and then we'll be looking for the first lower high to come into play for opportunities to trade back towards these lows and even back towards parity. Thanks for watching this video update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content, and I'll catch you in the next video.